Coming back to 9.12, scope related to package equipment. In that, dead-leg system is coming. Dead-leg, this process can extend this dead-leg and process and piping. I will cover others, then process or piping can give the brief idea of the dead-leg one. 9.12. Now 9.13 is chemical treatment system. Last week we did human factor engineering. Based on the outcome of human factor engineering, only option 1 selected. Option 1 means and the same way whatever activity currently happening there, manually chemical loading, same will be followed with additional safety measures. So considering the human factor engineering option selection, there is no hardware modification now. There is no hardware modification now expected in the 9.13 as well. 9.14, 15, 16 is manual operation recommended, or whatever existing philosophy is followed, that has to be followed. So there is no automation activity will come in this 9.14, 15 and 16 and even in 17. Now coming back to 9.18 and 9.19. Only for these two PNID is issued. This 1, 2 and 3 PNID is issued. So in 9.18, this is covered in MOT and MPS area. In MOT, there are 8 storage tank. Each storage tanks are 3 oil in water instruments was there, but due to some leakage issue, those instruments removed, and now as part of this project, we are adding new oil in water analyzer in each storage tank. So in MOT 24, similar oil and water analyzer will be there, 8 into 3. In MPS, 2 buffer tanks are there, and 3 into 2, 6 will be coming in the MPS. So 24 in MOT and 6 in MPS, oil and water analyzer is coming as part of the project. We can see the PNID for this one, 9.18. In 9.19, new MP21 ODC pump discharge line dimension. As part of this project, we are covering 4. We are dimension is there for making automate 4 HOVs. 4 HOV. This number hand operated valve needs to replace with the MOV. So we are changing 4 hand operated valve to the MOV. So PNRGs is also issue